Hi, uh, this car is Volkswagen Golf 4 2002, made in Germany, and it has problematic door locks. They don't lock and unlock as they should. I'll show. If I press lock, well, only passenger side door locks, and if I press unlock, only the passenger door unlocks. Not the back doors. So I will show you. If I press lock, alright, it locks and it puts the car under alarm. And if I press unlock, this door, back door, and this back door, they don't unlock. So even if I pull here, you can see that the lock knob goes up, and if I release this handle, then it will go back again. Oh, and it just, for some reason, oh yeah, it was the 30-second interval. Alright. For some reason it sets the alarm after 30 seconds or so, and it locks the door also. Now it won't unlock even the passenger door if I press unlock. I can hear clicking here under the steering wheel somewhere. If I press unlock, it must be the CCM or comfort control module, which I believe which controls the alarm and door locks. Maybe I will see. Maybe I will remove this control comfort control module from here. Maybe the whole problem started with because of the faulty comfort control module. I don't know. Maybe the pins are corroded, or some other moisture got into this control module. When I press unlock, something clicks in there. You can hear it. So it's somewhere there. Yeah, maybe. I will take this out from here and check it. Well, also maybe it helps when you remove the fuse number 14, which is in this car, this one here, which controls the lights, like this one here on the door. Well, let's do it. This is third from the right, and second from the bottom. This one here. If I remove this, then I should see the door light going off, and also this too. Alright, let's remove it. Now it's removed. Fuse 14. And as you see, the lights are off. Okay. Now let's try to click on the key fob. Unlock. And you don't hear any clicking anymore here on control module. So the fuse number 14 is also connected to this comfort control module. Now I will put the fuse back in. What was it? Here. Alright. Fuse is back in. Now let's try to lock the locks again. Alright, pressing to the lock button on the key fob, which is here. It doesn't do anything because the knob on the key fob must be broken. Unlock works, but lock doesn't work. You can see the red light flashing. Nothing happens. Alright, let's try this button here. If I press lock, it should lock the doors, which it does. But it won't trigger the alarm. I mean, it won't set the alarm. So now I will push the unlock here. It unlocks the passenger door, but not the back door here. As you can see, it's locked. And it won't open from the inside nor the outside. Now the comfort control module could be faulty, so the signal is not going to the door lock motor to activate, because if I press here on lock, then the passenger door, you can hear the motor or whatever is in there did some kind of reaction. Was you can hear it, but with this back door here, the motor is somewhere here, and it won't do any noise. So it means the signal is not going into the motor. And then with this door is the same. I managed to undo the inner skin of the door by unscrewing two bottom screws, Torx T20 I believe, and somehow I managed to take off the inner skin of the door. With this motor is the exact same problem. If I press unlock on the key fob, this motor nothing, and this door doesn't unlock either. Well, I'll show you later how I did manage to open this door, which is deadlocked. Well, for now, another reason might be that the wiring is maybe broken in the door, or where somewhere, maybe the wiring or something, maybe the connections are bad or something like that. Don't know yet. Right now I will try to open this door, which is locked, and which doesn't open from the in or from the outside. Okay. There are some videos on YouTube about how to remove the inner skin of the door. Well, I did it. I will put the link on the video below on the description, how I learned how to remove the inner skin properly. You will need one short Torx T20 T20, I don't know what it's, wrench or bit. I have two here. This one is too long. You won't get you can unscrew the first screw, which is down here. There are a lot of room for this to unscrew this one. You can see you can unscrew, but you can't unscrew the other one because the back seat you You see, this is too long. You won't be able to unscrew the other screw on the bottom with this. That's why you need one that is a little bit shorter, like this one. With this T20 you can unscrew the other screw from the bottom door panel. I will show you from the other side, from the other door. Well, now there is the other door which I have to remove I have to remove also here those screws, because this door is also completely shut. You can see maybe here is one little, yeah, it's shiny Torx T20 screw. You can't unscrew this with the I mean, it can be done. Well, you know this. But for the other screw that is there, you will need a shorter one. You can unscrew this one also. It is accessible. It is not easy, but you can unscrew this one too. If you manage to unscrew this Torx screws, then there are 5 clips. 1, 2 at this side and 3 here at the other side. You can see 1 clip hole, 2 here and 3rd here, and those clips are on the door panel. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are this kind of things. They will click here, and they will hold the door panel. So you have to somehow with your fingers, if your fingers aren't too fat, or some kind of screwdriver or something, to unclip the door panel. You might broke them. Well, they're cheap. You can buy new ones. Don't forget to unscrew, first of all, to unscrew your door handle. This one. Alright.